Yo, so happy Wednesday. I've been editing. I've been up for a couple hours. I've been editing like crazy. Why is this call going so slow? Anyway, so I've been editing ever since I've been up. Haven't taken a shower or nothing. Just gonna go up and get my hair cut today. I didn't. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get my hair cut. Look at my hair. It sucks. I look like a bum. I look horrible. But hopefully I take a shower and I'm going to continue to edit. I don't know. I'm still having a lot of stuff going on. Saturday I have a photo shoot to do. Possibly another photo shoot. Probably another photo shoot. I'd say another photo shoot. I still am behind a little bit in everything. I mean, it's just insanity. Oh, and I have a meeting tonight, I think, supposedly. I don't know if that's going to happen. I hope it does, but I have a meeting tonight, like at between 8 and 10 p.m. Hopefully that comes to fruition. But other than that, okay, so I have a meeting, and then other than that, I'm still dealing. I'm so ashamed. I'm so ashamed. So ashamed. Other than that, this photographer here and videographer has yet to figure out how to put pictures on DVD, and I have clients waiting on pictures. So if I don't figure it out tonight, tomorrow, I'm gonna go up at Walmart and see if they could get it on DVDs. I've searched videos on YouTube, watched YouTube videos, can't figure it out. I don't know. It's because this new computer, I had to upgrade it. A free upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 10. It's up to Windows 10. Still can't figure it out. So anyway, so I'm gonna get in there, take a shower, and see what I could do. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Trying to figure out how to put pictures on DVDs. Okay. Yo, so spontaneously, I have decided to walk. Listen to this. I have not had a blizzard all year. Well, all summer. I had one like in February. I have not had a blizzard all summer. Holy cow, what the flying flips up with that? So, anyway, I'm going to give a tea shout right now. Tea shout out right now. Check this out. Huh? Oh yeah. What do you think about that? Oh yeah. Go Lady Sentinels. Go Lady Sentinels. That's all I have to say. Oh yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go get a blizzard and chow down, man. I mean, it's the weather's perfect. So I haven't went on a walk yet. I should have had my meeting right now, which I could, but I can't get a hold of the person I'm meeting with. It's just beautiful out, nice out, not humid. Wish it was just a little bit of wind, but it's still not. I mean, it's really nice, so can't beat it. And I'm jamming on my iPod. Okay guys, so I don't even know what I want. Maybe I think I'm gonna stick with a snack size. I don't feel like eating a whole lot, so this is where I used to go as a kid. This is how old this DQ is. I think I'm gonna go with a snack size cookie dough. I think it sounds good. What do you think I should get? Ooh, we might have M&M's. What do you think? maybe just a cookie dough. I think I'm gonna go with a cookie dough. I was gonna get the little mini. Look, I got a medium. So I still do. They used to have a bench too, and they don't have a bench now, so I guess we'll walk to the park But no, this is I used to walk as a kid to DQ. It's such a big deal to walk to eat at the DQ. So people with looks, I love you, Huntington. I do. Just to let you know. I mean, I just love how people looks because I'm vlogging. Wow. That's okay though. We need to educate them, I guess. But anyway, so we'll go to the park and eat this. This is some good stuff right here. Look at that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna start eating it now. Might as well. Here we go. I got a medium though. Man, that's a lot. Hope I can eat it. I don't eat a whole lot at once. I have no idea what's going on, but wow. I hope and pray everything's okay. Okay guys, check this out. Oops. It's melting. I just got all over this table. Look at that. So since they don't have a bench anymore at DQ, well, they had some up front. His family's using them, but since they don't have a bench on the side like they used to when I was a kid, I decided to come to the splash park to eat this. I almost drank it. I mean, it smelled. I can't believe how fast it's melting. Yeah, so I finished eating. Anyway, I wish I wouldn't have got that much. I didn't need that much. I'm so stupid. I just kind of like negotiate with myself. And so I just finished my meeting I had tonight, and also I had a spontaneous mini meeting, believe it or not, for a shoot that I'm doing Saturday. So now I have 2 shoots Saturday, and guess who I'm gonna shoot again? Wiley Lynn. And I think Plan B again is gonna be playing. So got a couple shoots I'm doing Saturday. So guys, it's like 5:30 a.m. or almost 6 a.m. I have good news. Oh, I want to hear some applause for this. Guess what I did? Guess. Oh, I look horrible. Look at this. That's what kind of night it's been. Look. Anyway, I figured out how to burn pictures on DVD on Windows 10. Holy cow, can you believe it? What? Holy cow. What the flying flip? Wow. Yeah, I figured it out. I'm so happy I've got them burned for clients to come pick up. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Tomorrow or later on today, I have a meeting. I had a meeting earlier tonight. It went fabulous. Today I have a meeting later on. Plus, guess what? I'm going to get this cut. This is the worst my hair has looked since I've been vlogging. I'm telling you right now, look at it. It's horrible. So, a lot of stuff going on. Saturday, 2 photo shoots. A lot of exciting stuff happening, guys. Okay, but anyway, I have to go to bed. I just do. I have to get some sleep. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited. Subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.